Top 10 inventions and discoveries of the 21st century. Number 1. Detection of gravitational waves. Number 2. Evidence of water on Mars. Number 3. Robotic body parts. Number 4. Tissue of Tyrannosaurus rex. Number 5. Advancement in HIV cure. Number 6. Existence of dark matter. Number 7. Sequencing genome of cancer patient. Number 8. Creation of human organs. Number 9. Water as fuel. Number 10. Face transplants. Let us go through in detail. Number 1. Detection of gravitational waves. Let us go back to the time when Albert Einstein first predicted in his theory of relativity that time travel would be possible now. The Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory project, based in the United States, has detected gravitational waves that could allow scientists to develop a time machine and travel to the earliest and darkest parts of the universe. Number 2. Evidence of water on Mars. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration of United States confirmed in September 2015 that there was evidence proving the existence of liquid water on Mars. Using the imaging spectrometer of NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, scientists detected locations on Mars. During the warm season, the hydrated salts darken and flows down. However, they fade in cooler seasons. The detection of hydrated salts means that water plays a vital role in their formation. Number 3. Robotic body parts. Through the help of biomechanics and engineering, scientists have devised robotic body parts. The University of Twente, the Netherlands, has developed robotic arms that can aid those individuals affected by certain kinds of muscular dystrophy. This will allow patients to amplify residual function in the arm. The scientists have succeeded in developing robotic limbs. They are studying on the viability of making these robotic body parts of exoskeletons controlled by the mind to help disabled individuals, survivors of stroke, and elderly people. Number 4. Tissue of Tyrannosaurus rex. Paleontology is the branch of science that deals with fossil animals and plants. Paleontologists have discovered a partially fossilized and decomposing femur of Tyrannosaurus rex that was believed to be 70 million years old already, or date closer to the biblical date of creation. Mary Higbee of North Carolina State University, the USA, found out soft tissue preserved because of the iron between the leg bones. The T-Rex tissue is very essential in determining the physiology of dinosaurs and to study its cellular and molecular structures. It has been discovered that dinosaurs are closely related to big birds like the ostrich. Number 5. Advancement in HIV cure. According to official statistics, there are over 36.7 million people worldwide living with human immunodeficiency virus infection or acquired immune deficiency syndrome, of which 1.8 million are children. HIV or AIDS remain to be one of the deadliest diseases in the world. Antiretroviral therapy allows HIV or AIDS patients live longer. However, no definite cure has not still been invented. In 2007, Dr. Gero Hutter was the first one to cure successfully an HIV or AIDS patient by transplanting bone marrow from an HIV immune patient. Number 6. Existence of dark matter. In 2006, a team of researchers found evidence that proves the existence of dark matter. They inferred the presence of dark matter by measuring the bullet clusters or location of mass in the collision of galaxies. According to Maxim Markovich of the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics in Cambridge, the USA, the dark matter can be proved by the bulk of visible matter in the clusters that have been disconnected to the rest of the mass. According to NASA, it is still complete mystery. What they can prove for now is 68% of the universe is composed of dark energy. Number 7. Sequencing genome of cancer patient. In 2003, scientists completed the sequencing of human genome, a genetic blueprint that points out the mutations leading to cancer. It took 3 years for them to finish drafting the 3 billion letters that compose the human DNA. The Human Genome Project helps scientists in treating a deadly type of skin cancer and understanding the genes involved in leukemia, eczema, and diabetes. Now, cancer genome sequencing is integrated into medical care facilities. It characterizes and identifies DNA or RNA sequences of cancer cells. Number 8. Creation of human organs. Research in stem cells has paved the way to greater access to organs instead of waiting for donors or taking harsh medications. Scientists from Massachusetts General Hospital and Harvard Medical School, the USA, have found out how to regenerate the function of human heart tissue through adult skin cells. Through stem cells, humans can grow another organ. This is associated with the regenerative nature of living organisms. Recently, various researchers around the world have enabled growing fallopian tubes, heart, brain, lung, and kidney, among others, through stem cells. Number 9. Water as fuel. The Germany-based cleantech company has developed a futuristic machine that converts water into fuel. Through the power-to-liquid technology, the machine can convert water and carbon dioxide into liquid hydrocarbons, which take the form of synthetic diesel, petrol, and kerosene. This technology was based on the Fischer-Tropsch process and solid oxide electrolyzer cells, which converts electricity into steam. In 2017, US scientists devised a technology that turns sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into fuel, which can be a viable source of power, replacing coal, oil, and other fossil fuels. Number 10. Face transplants. A face transplant is a medical procedure that replaces a person's face using the tissues of a dead person. In 2005, Isabelle Dinore of France was the first person to have a partial face transplant, while in 2010, the first full face transplant was performed in Spain. Face transplants have been popularly carried out in United States, Spain, France, and Turkey. This is applicable for people with birth defects or disfigurements caused by burns, disease, and trauma.